Ever find yourself, like, drowning in interior design magazines, bookmarking every page, pinning dream renovation ideas endlessly?
Oh, absolutely.
What?
Pinterest becomes an addiction.
Right. But what if, instead of just pinning, you could feed all that inspo to a computer and boom, out pops a personalized design?
Okay, that sounds kind of futuristic, but I'm intrigued.
Well, get this, it's already happening. Right now, in Jamaica, AI is shaking up the interior design scene in a big way. And that's exactly what we're diving into today.
All right, so we're talking AI taking over mood boards and floor plans. I'm ready to unpack this.
Exactly. We're exploring those AI tools making waves, the impact they're having, the whole shebang. So first up, let's talk about these game-changing design tools themselves.
Get me with it.
Okay, so there's Homestyler Think, ridiculously easy floor plans and visualizations like drag and drop furniture, experiment with 100 different wall colors before you even lift a paintbrush.
Oh, wow. So it's user-friendly, even for someone who can barely arrange furniture in real life. Asking for a friend.
Precisely. It's like having a virtual design studio at your fingertips. And then there's Room Scan Pro.
Okay, that one sounds promising already just from the name.
Right. It's super cool. You essentially turn your phone into a floor plan scanner. Point, scan, boom, accurate measurements. No more struggling with tape measures.
That's a game changer, especially for someone starting a renovation project.
Oh, absolutely. And for that full, immersive experience, Planner 5D, think virtual 3D tours of your design.
Oh, seriously. Like walk through my potential new kitchen virtually.
Yep. It's next level stuff. And of course, we can't forget Hez. Now, it's not solely AI powered, but they use it in some really smart ways.
Yeah, Hez is amazing. I use it for inspiration all the time.
Right. Have you ever used that feature where you can try on furniture in your actual space using your phone?
Oh, yeah, that augmented reality thing is pretty cool.
Exactly. That's AR in action, and Hez does it brilliantly. But there's one more tool I have to mention, especially for the architects out there. IKEA AI. The cool thing about this one is it factors in the Jamaican climate when generating design options.
Oh, interesting. So it's not just about aesthetics, it's about functionality and sustainability, too.
Exactly. It considers things like, sun orientation and ventilation,
Yeah.
those things that are super important for comfort and energy efficiency here in Jamaica. IKEA AI uses all that data to suggest designs that aren't just pretty, but also optimized for our climate.
That's amazing. It's like this AI actually understands the unique challenges of designing in the tropics.
Totally. And the best part is all these platforms are making good design way more accessible. Smaller firms, even individual freelancers, now have access to tools that used to be way too expensive.
It's like leveling the playing field, right? Suddenly, you don't need to be a huge firm to offer clients those high-tech design solutions. And we're seeing this trend globally, too. Platforms like Forneo and Arki really revolutionizing the design industry.
100%. And this accessibility thing, it's not just us saying it. Recent surveys show that a whopping 65% of people believe AI could make design services more affordable in Jamaica.
Wow, 65%. That's a clear demand.
Right. People want this. Imagine finally being able to afford the design you've always dreamed of.
It could be a game changer, especially for homeowners who thought professional design was out of reach.
Exactly. But, every coin has two sides. We got to address the elephant in the room.
You're talking about jobs.
Yeah. There are genuine concerns about the impact of all this on the job market.
It's understandable. People are worried about being replaced by algorithms. It's a valid fear.
Absolutely. And, there are architects who are worried about the speed at which all this is happening. Things are moving so fast.
Well, a critical moment, that's for sure. I think adaptation is key. It's less about being replaced and more about evolving. Finding those new ways to provide value that AI can't replicate.
It's about focusing on those uniquely human aspects of design, right?
Exactly. That creativity, emotional connection, really understanding a client's vision on a deeper level, those things are irreplaceable.
And speaking of adapting, let's talk about IKEA for a second.
Okay, yeah, IKEA is interesting.
They've really embraced AI, and not just for the design itself. Think personalized product recommendations, that you might also like this thing.
Oh, yeah, that's how they get you. You go in for a lamp, come out with a whole living room set.
Exactly. But it's smart, right? And they use AI for inventory management, too, to make things more efficient.
It's a great example of how businesses, even those outside traditional design, can leverage these tools to their advantage. Imagine, a local Jamaican furniture maker using AI to predict what customers will want next season.
Right, or to offer custom pieces based on someone's style preferences. It's exciting to think about. But circling back to our main point, it seems like AI is going to make design in Jamaica more affordable, more efficient, more accessible overall.
I agree. But it's not just about the technology, right?
Exactly. It's
Right.
about what we do with it.
Right. The magic will be in how Jamaicans take these tools and infuse their own style, their unique cultural identity into these designs. How will this technology help us tell our stories?
Wow. That is a powerful thought. How will AI shape the future of Jamaican design, not just aesthetically, but culturally as well? It's something to think about.